Today, we're diving into something super important: how to survive a heart attack when you're alone, especially if you're over 60. Those first moments are crucial, and knowing what to do can really save your life. It's a serious topic, but being ready can give you peace of mind. Let's jump into 7 must-know tips for every senior out there. First, let's understand what a heart attack is. It happens when blood flow to a part of the heart muscle gets blocked, often by a blood clot. Without oxygen-rich blood, the heart muscle starts to die. The symptoms can vary greatly between men and women, and they might not always be the dramatic, chest-clutching scene we see in movies. So, what are the signs? The most common symptom is chest discomfort. This can feel like pressure, squeezing, fullness, or pain in the center of your chest that lasts for more than a few minutes. Or it might go away and come back. But there are other signs too. You might feel pain or discomfort in one or both arms, your back, neck, jaw, or even your stomach. You could also experience shortness of breath, break out in a cold sweat, feel nauseous, or become lightheaded. For women, symptoms can be more subtle, like unusual fatigue, indigestion, or anxiety. Recognizing these signs is your first line of defense. Don't dismiss them as just getting older or having a bad meal. If something feels wrong, it probably is. Now, let's get into the 7 life-saving steps. Tip number 1, call for emergency help immediately. The moment you suspect you're having a heart attack, don't hesitate. Don't try to wait it out or drive yourself to the hospital. Every second counts. Grab your phone and dial your local emergency number. In the United States and Canada, it's 911. In the UK, it's 999. Be clear and calm. Say, "I think I am having a heart attack." Give them your exact location, including any apartment numbers or specific directions. The operator may give you instructions, so listen carefully and try to stay on the line. If you can't speak, just dialing and leaving the line open can sometimes allow dispatchers to trace your location. Tip number 2, unlock your front door. After you've called for help, if you're able to move, make your way to your front door and unlock it. This is a simple but crucial step. It allows paramedics to get to you quickly without having to break down the door, which saves precious time. Once the door is unlocked, go and lie down near it if possible, preferably in a place where you'll be easily seen when they arrive. This small action can dramatically speed up the process of getting you the medical attention you need. Tip number 3, take aspirin if you have it and are not allergic. Chewing 1 regular strength aspirin, that's 325 milligrams, can help thin your blood and break up the clot that is causing the heart attack. Don't swallow it whole. Chewing it helps it get into your system faster. However, this is very important. Only do this if a doctor has previously told you it's okay, or if the emergency dispatcher instructs you to. Do not take aspirin if you have an allergy to it or if you have a bleeding disorder. If you're unsure, wait for the paramedics. Having aspirin readily available in your home, maybe in a kitchen drawer or by your bedside, is a good idea. Tip number 4, stay calm and try to breathe slowly. I know this is easier said than done, but panicking can make things worse. Anxiety increases your heart rate and puts more strain on your heart. Try to take slow, deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. This can help deliver more oxygen to your heart and brain, and also help you remain as calm as possible while you wait for help. Sit down or lie down to reduce the strain on your heart. Don't walk around. Find a comfortable position. Tip number 5, assume a comfortable position. The best position is to sit on the floor with your back against a wall or a sturdy piece of furniture and bend your knees. This is often called the semi-Fowler's position. Lying flat can sometimes make it harder to breathe, especially if you have fluid in your lungs, which can happen during a heart attack. Sitting up with your knees bent helps ease the strain on your heart and can improve breathing. Avoid lying down flat on your back unless you feel faint or dizzy. Tip number 6, do not try cough CPR. You might have seen this viral tip online, which suggests you can survive a heart attack by coughing vigorously and repeatedly. This is a myth and is dangerous. The American Heart Association does not endorse cough CPR for a person who is conscious. It has not been proven to be effective and can cause more harm by delaying your call for real medical help. The only time coughing might be recommended is in a hospital setting, under specific medical supervision during certain procedures. For you, alone at home, your focus should be on calling for help and staying calm. Forget the coughing. Tip number 7. Be prepared ahead of time. Prevention and preparation are your most powerful tools. First, keep an emergency medical information card in your wallet or on your fridge. It should list your medical conditions, any medications you're taking, allergies, and your doctor's contact information. This gives paramedics instant access to vital information. Second, talk to your doctor about your personal risk for a heart attack and what specific instructions they have for you in an emergency. They might recommend you have nitroglycerin on hand if you have known heart disease. Third, keep your phone charged and easily accessible at all times, especially by your bed at night. Consider getting a medical alert system, especially if you live alone. These devices can call for help with a push of a button. To recap our 7 tips: first, call for emergency services immediately. Second, unlock your front door. Third, chew an aspirin if it's safe for you. Fourth, stay as calm as you can and breathe slowly. Fifth, get into a comfortable seated position. Sixth, do not try cough CPR. And seventh, be prepared in advance with medical information and an emergency plan. Living a heart-healthy lifestyle is, of course, the best way to prevent a heart attack in the first place. This means eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise as approved by your doctor, managing stress, not smoking, and keeping conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes under control. Regular checkups with your doctor are essential for monitoring your heart health. This information is not meant to scare you, but to empower you. Knowing these steps can turn a feeling of helplessness into a plan of action. Share this information with your friends and family, especially other seniors you know. It's knowledge that we all hope we never have to use, but could be life-saving if we do. If you ever feel overwhelmed or anxious about your health, please talk to someone. A friend, a family member, or a mental health professional can provide support. You're not alone in these concerns. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content focused on health and wellness for seniors. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.